Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to prevent applications access to our notifications in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So first of all, we need to go to settings. In settings we are looking for notifications options menu. Next we need to go to device and app notifications. Here control which apps and devices can read notifications. Yes, please. And now, for example, Smart Connect application, as you can see, is allowed to access to our notifications in real time, conversations, notifications, etc. And we can pick and choose what this specific application can have access to. So let's say in real time, yes, please. I don't want you to read my text messages, but I want you to have access to my notifications. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.